This is a time of the year where we receive our goodies from being IBM Champions, and I'm really happy to be an IBM Champion for 2021 and assigned by Arvind Krishna, IBM CEO. But history starts a little earlier with 2020, where Arvind Krishna, then CEO as well, sent me that, as well as in 2019, where Arvind was SVP Cloud and Cognitive Software. 2018 is missing, but 2017 I was a champion there as well, but no prize, just this very nice star. And then 2016 signed by Bob Picciano, VP of IBM Analytics. Then 2015 with Steve Mills, little Cocorico French flag there, just reminding that I'm a first French IBM champion. 2014, still Steve Mills, going down to 2013 and Steve Mills again. 2012 with Steve Mills again. 2011 with this nice pen and crystal blocks there with a nice earth. And then 2010. And finally 2009, where I was first nominated, awarded IBM Champion. But what makes me the most proud is really, like in 2021, having this Lifetime Champion award. Thank you, IBM.